Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw money from TikTok. So if you've earned money on TikTok and want to cash it out, just follow along step by step and I'll show you what to do. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look at the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From the menu that appears, find the option called Balance and tap on it. Give it a moment to load. Once the balance page opens, you'll see your estimated balance. Tap on it to open it. Here, you'll see your estimated amount at the top. Right below that, you'll see a section called Withdraw Anytime with an option labeled Live Rewards. Go ahead and tap on Live Rewards to open your rewards balance. Inside this section, you'll be able to see your available earnings in your current currency, such as USD, Euro, or another currency depending on your device settings. Now, to take your money out, tap on the Withdraw button. Keep in mind that TikTok usually requires a minimum withdrawal amount of $100 before you can cash out. After that, simply add or select your payment method. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Once you've completed this step, tap on the Withdraw button at the bottom to submit your request. And that's it. That's how you can withdraw your money from TikTok, step by step. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tutorials.